principle for do-it-yourself electrical work is that even if you complete the electrical work without injury, sparks, or apparent malfunction, it does not necessarily mean it was done safely. Hidden hazards may still exist, potentially posing long-term risks. One of the key benefits of professional electrical services is that by hiring a licensed electrician, you eliminate the uncertainty associated with do-it-yourself work. Professionals ensure that electrical installations are safe. Adherence to building codes and industry standards guarantees the absence of hidden hazards. Professionals ensure electrical installations are reliable. Proper installation ensures consistent performance, reducing the risk of electrical faults and disruptions. Professional electricians stay abreast of the latest electrical codes, ensuring that the property meets current safety and efficiency requirements. Licensed electricians typically provide warranties for their work, offering peace of mind and protection against potential issues. The most important consideration in electrical work is safety. Electrical systems can be dangerous if not installed or repaired properly. Do-it-yourself electrical work often lacks the necessary safety measures and knowledge to prevent accidents such as electric shocks, fires, and other hazards. These risks can be mitigated by hiring a professional electrician who is trained to identify and address potential safety concerns. Electrical codes are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards. These codes are complex and constantly evolving, making it difficult for non-professionals to stay up to date. A licensed electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that all electrical work is code compliant, reducing the risk of violations and potential fines. Proper electrical installation is essential for the reliable performance of electrical systems. Incorrect wiring, loose connections, and other installation errors can lead to electrical faults, power outages, and other disruptions. A professional electrician has the expertise to ensure that all electrical work is done correctly, minimizing the risk of problems and maximizing the lifespan of electrical systems. Licensed electricians typically provide warranties for their work, giving customers peace of mind and protection against potential issues. If something goes wrong with the electrical installation, the electrician will be responsible for fixing it at no additional cost. This warranty can save homeowners money and hassle in the long run. Many homeowners attempt do-it-yourself electrical work to save money. However, this can often lead to more costly problems down the road. Incorrect wiring, code violations, and other errors can result in expensive repairs, fines, and even property damage. Hiring a professional electrician can help prevent these problems and save money in the long run. Do-it-yourself electrical work can be time-consuming and stressful. It requires research, planning, and execution, which can take away from other important tasks. A professional electrician can handle all aspects of the electrical work, freeing up homeowners to focus on other priorities. Firstly, consider the potential for electric shock. Electricity can be deadly, and even a small shock can cause serious injury. A licensed electrician is trained to work safely with electricity and knows how to avoid potential hazards. Secondly, consider the risk of fire. Faulty wiring is a leading cause of house fires. A licensed electrician will ensure that all wiring is properly installed and that the electrical system is up to code, reducing the risk of fire. Thirdly, consider the potential for property damage. Improper electrical work can damage appliances, electronics, and other property. A licensed electrician will take care to protect property and prevent damage. Fourthly, consider the potential for code violations. Electrical codes are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards. A licensed electrician will ensure that all work is code compliant, avoiding potential fines and penalties. Fifthly, consider the potential for voided insurance coverage. Many insurance policies will not cover damage caused by improper electrical work. Hiring a licensed electrician can help ensure that insurance coverage remains valid. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards for safe electrical installation in the United States. It is updated every 3 years and provides guidelines for everything from wiring methods to overcurrent protection. Understanding and adhering to the NEC is crucial for ensuring electrical safety. Article 90.1. of the NEC states that the purpose of this code is the practical safeguarding of persons and property from hazards arising from the use of electricity. This principle underscores the importance of following the NEC to minimize risks associated with electrical systems. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Each section of the code provides specific requirements for ensuring electrical safety. Chapter 2 of the NEC addresses wiring and protection, covering topics such as conductor types, ampacity, and overcurrent protection. This chapter is essential for understanding how to properly size and protect electrical circuits. Chapter 3 of the NEC covers wiring methods and materials, providing guidelines for selecting and installing different types of wiring. This chapter includes information on conduit, cable, and other wiring methods. Chapter 4 of the NEC addresses equipment for general use, covering topics such as receptacles, switches, and lighting fixtures. This chapter provides requirements for the safe installation and use of electrical equipment. Overcurrent protection is a critical aspect of electrical safety, preventing damage to equipment and reducing the risk of fire. The NEC provides detailed requirements for overcurrent protection, including the selection and installation of fuses and circuit breakers. Grounding is another essential safety measure, providing a path for fault current to flow back to the source and trip the overcurrent protection device. The NEC provides specific requirements for grounding systems, ensuring that they are properly installed and maintained. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or SICs, are devices that detect arc faults, which are a common cause of electrical fires. The NEC requires SICs in many locations, such as bedrooms, to provide additional protection against fire hazards. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are devices that protect against electric shock by detecting ground faults. The NEC requires GFCIs in wet locations such as bathrooms and kitchens to prevent electric shock hazards. Electrical panels, also known as load centers, are the distribution points for electrical circuits in a building. The NEC provides requirements for the installation and wiring of electrical panels, ensuring that they are safe and reliable. Conductors, also known as wires, are the pathways for electricity to flow through an electrical system. The NEC specifies the types of conductors that can be used in different applications, as well as their ampacity and installation requirements. The ampacity of a conductor is its current carrying capacity, measured in amps. The NEC provides tables that list the ampacity of different types of conductors based on their size and insulation. Voltage drop is the decrease in voltage along a conductor, caused by the resistance of the wire. The NEC recommends limiting voltage drop to ensure that electrical equipment operates properly. Electrical boxes are used to protect wiring connections and provide a safe enclosure for electrical devices. The NEC specifies the types of electrical boxes that can be used in different applications as well as their installation requirements. Conduit is a protective tubing used to enclose electrical wiring. The NEC provides requirements for the types of conduit that can be used in different applications as well as their installation methods. Electrical permits are required for many types of electrical work, ensuring that the work is done safely and in accordance with the NEC. Contacting the local building department is essential to determine whether a permit is required for a particular project. Electrical inspections are conducted by qualified inspectors to verify that electrical work has been done in accordance with the NEC. Passing an electrical inspection is essential for ensuring the safety and legality of electrical installations. Hiring a licensed electrician is the best way to ensure that electrical work is done safely and in accordance with the NEC. Licensed electricians have the training, experience, and knowledge to handle all types of electrical projects. When hiring an electrician, it is important to check their license and insurance to ensure that they are qualified and reputable. Asking for references and reading online reviews can also help in selecting a qualified electrician. Obtaining multiple bids from different electricians is a good way to compare prices and services. However, it is important to choose an electrician based on their qualifications and experience, not just the lowest price. A written contract with the electrician should clearly outline the scope of work, price, payment terms, and warranty information. This contract will protect both the homeowner and the electrician in case of any disputes. It is important to communicate clearly with the electrician throughout the project, discussing any concerns or changes to the plan. Regular communication will help ensure that the project is completed to the homeowner's satisfaction. After the electrical work is completed, it is important to inspect the work to ensure that it meets the homeowner's expectations and complies with the NEC. If any issues are found, they should be addressed with the electrician promptly. Maintaining electrical systems is essential for ensuring their safety and reliability. Regular inspections, testing, and repairs can help prevent problems and extend the lifespan of electrical equipment. Replacing old or outdated electrical equipment can improve safety and efficiency. Upgrading to newer technologies, such as LED lighting and smart home systems, can also save energy and money. Understanding basic electrical concepts is helpful for homeowners, even if they are not performing electrical work themselves. This knowledge can help them identify potential problems and communicate effectively with electricians. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following safe practices and hiring qualified professionals, homeowners can protect themselves and their property from electrical hazards. When dealing with electricity, remember that safety should always be the top priority. Do not take risks or attempt to perform electrical work if unsure of the proper procedures. The NEC Table 310.15. The 16 provides opacity ratings for conductors based on their size and insulation type. This table is essential for selecting the appropriate size conductor for a given circuit. The NEC Article 250 covers grounding and bonding requirements, which are critical for electrical safety. Proper grounding ensures that fault current can safely return to the source, tripping the overcurrent protection device. The NEC Article 408 addresses switchboards and panel boards, providing requirements for their installation and wiring. These components are essential for distributing electricity throughout a building. The NEC Article 430 covers motors and motor circuits, providing requirements for their protection and control. Motors are a common electrical load, and it is important to protect them from overloads and short circuits. The NEC Article 500 addresses hazardous locations, which are areas where flammable gases, vapors, or dust may be present. Special electrical equipment and wiring methods are required in these locations to prevent explosions and fires. The NEC Article 517 covers healthcare facilities, providing requirements for electrical systems in hospitals, nursing homes, and other healthcare settings. These facilities require reliable and safe electrical systems to support critical medical equipment. The NEC Article 547 addresses agricultural buildings, providing requirements for electrical systems in barns, poultry houses, and other agricultural structures. These buildings often have unique electrical needs, such as protection from moisture and corrosion. The NEC Article 600 covers electric signs and outline lighting, providing requirements for their installation and wiring. These installations require special attention to safety, as they are often exposed to the elements. The NEC Article 680 addresses swimming pools, fountains, and similar installations, providing requirements for electrical safety in and around water. These areas require special protection against electric shock hazards. The NEC Article 700 covers emergency systems, providing requirements for backup power systems that provide electricity during power outages. These systems are critical for maintaining essential services in hospitals, fire stations, and other critical facilities. Understanding the NEC is essential for anyone involved in electrical work, from homeowners to professional electricians. By following the code, electrical systems can be installed and maintained safely and reliably. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work. Remember to prioritize safety when working with electricity and always follow the NEC and other applicable codes and standards.